Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu has reported from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Hazrat Ibrahim migrated along with Hazrat Sarah and entered a village where there was a king or a tyrant. He said, "Give her Hajara." Poisonous mutton was presented to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Abu Humayd narrates the king of Ayla presented the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam a white mule and a white rape. Around the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam wrote a share from the coastal area for him. Hazrat Qatada narrates that Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu said, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was presented a brocade robe and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would forbid silk. The people were amazed. So the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, by him in whose possession Muhammad's soul is, Sa'ad bin Muaz, handkerchief in paradise are prettier than it. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2615.